Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, providing you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The local market is expected to drop at the open as tensions in Ukraine continue to intensify. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is expected to open the day 58 points or 0.8% lower on Friday morning. Tensions between Russia and Ukraine impacted the ASX on Thursday, despite an overall positive performance in which the ASX enjoyed an intraday gain of 0.9%. Concerns surrounding oil supplies and ongoing supply issues driven largely by the Ukraine border conflict saw the ASX finish only marginally higher, up by 0.16%. The best performing sector was healthcare, up almost 3%, followed by industrials, up 0.9%, and energy also gained 0.8%. The worst performing sector was consumer discretionary, down 3.4%, followed by communication services, down 3%, and information technology, which dropped by 2.9%. The US market endured somewhat of a bloodbath, with all major indices experiencing significant declines. The Dow Jones fell by 1.78%, the S&P 500 was down 2.12%, and the Nasdaq ended 2.88% lower. The poor performance is directly connected to the European conflict, with US Secretary of State Antony Blinken informing the United Nations Security Council that Russia was preparing to attack in the coming days. Russian Deputy Foreign Minister Sergei Vyshinin called the comments regrettable and dangerous. For Europe itself, market performance was subdued. London's FTSE 100 fell by 0.87%, the German DAX dropped 0.67%, and the Stoxx 600 fell by 0.69%. As for Asian markets, Japan's Nikkei fell 0.83%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell by 0.6%, and China's Shanghai Composite was the lone gainer with a marginal increase of 0.1%. Well, time now for a very quick break before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, commodities, oil and the world of crypto. Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat. Welcome back to the Morning Outlook, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar continues to hover around the 71 to 72 US cent price range. At the close of the market yesterday, it was trading at 71.87 US cents. Despite escalating tensions between Russia and the Ukraine, oil prices have actually dipped. Oil prices slipped more than 2% after US and Iran sanction talks progressed. WTI futures fell US $1.90 to settle at $91.76 a barrel, and Brent crude settled down by $1.84 to trade at $92.97 a barrel. Gold, however, has certainly seen the impacts of European instability. Gold prices jumped to an 8-month high on Thursday amid Russia and Ukraine tensions. Gold prices rose above $1,900 for the first time since June 2021. Gold futures settled at 1.6% higher at $1,902 an ounce. And lastly, the past 24 hours have been horrific for crypto investors. Despite steady gains within the market for the past several weeks, the top two market cap cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have plummeted. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin dropped more than 8% to settle just above $40,000 a piece, whilst Ethereum dipped more than 8% to fall below the $3,000 mark for the first time in 3 days. Well, that's all for the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.